Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Alwasinta Chandra Saputri. Today, I would like to present my equipment borrowing system which I developed to make the borrowing and returning process easier, faster, and more organized. Let's go! Okay, why the product was created? I created this equipment lending website because manual lending system often cause problems such as data loss, unclear borrowing status, and inefficient process. As a software engineering student, I see technology as a solution to solve these problems. Here we go! Before proceeding to the first step, make sure each borrower registered first to have a valid account in this system. After the registration process is completed and the account has been verified, please fill in the required registration data, namely username, email, password, and user level according to each role so the account can be processed and used in this system. Okay, first, the user logs into the system. After successfully login, the user fills out the borrowing form by entering their name, department, the equipment being borrowed, and the borrowing time. Okay, after submitting the borrowing request, the borrower must wait for approval from the staff. The staff can approve or reject the request. The borrowing status will be shown on the status page as approved or reject. Okay, if the borrowing request is approved and the equipment has been used, the borrower must fill out the return form. This form includes the name, department, return equipment, and return time. This data is stored to ensure that the equipment has been properly returned. Okay, after the return is complete, the equipment can be sent back to its original condition because the items that were previously reduced when borrowed have been returned. Then, the process is finished. Okay guys, thank you for attention. I hope this system can be useful and help make the borrowing process more efficient. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.